Are you ready for a Galaxy-sized upgrade? Because the rumors are heating up for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's looking like a phone that's going to blow your mind. From a potential RAM boost that's music to multitaskers' ears to a camera setup that's set to redefine smartphone photography, this phone is shaping up to be a real game changer. Let's dive in. We've all been there, trying to juggle multiple apps only to be met with frustrating lag. Well, it looks like Samsung might be about to change that with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to reliable tipster at Universities, the S25 Ultra could come with a hopping 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now, we've seen Samsung offer 16 gigabytes RAM in the past with the S20 and S21 Ultras, but they dial it back for the S22 and S23 series. So if this rumor is true, it's fantastic news for those of us who demand top-tier performance. More RAM isn't just about bragging rights, it's also crucial for AI performance. With AI becoming increasingly integrated into our smartphones, having extra memory can make a huge difference in how quickly your phone can process tasks like image recognition, voice assistance, and even gaming. Let's talk cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to pack a serious photographic punch. We're looking at a 200 megapixel main sensor, which is incredible for capturing insane amounts of detail. Plus, there's talk of a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto. That's a camera setup that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Samsung is also expected to give the S25 Ultra a fresh new look. While we don't have concrete details yet, we can expect a sleeker design with possibly even more curved edges. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This chip is expected to be a beast, with Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores promising impressive performance. And let's not forget about the GPU, which is rumored to be a major upgrade for gaming. Unfortunately, there's some less exciting news. It looks like Samsung might stick with a 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging for the S25 Ultra. While these aren't bad specs, we were hoping to see some improvements in this area. Finally, let's talk software. The S25 Ultra is expected to come with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7.1. This new software promises a fresh look and feel, along with potentially powerful new AI features. So there you have it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an incredibly exciting phone. With rumors of a massive RAM upgrade, a camera system to drool over, and a powerful new processor, this device has the potential to be a true flagship killer. Of course, these are just rumors for now, but we're keeping a close eye on all the leaks and updates. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.